We will now examine some operations that affect the volume of the model, the first one of which is the pop-out. A pop-out is effectively an extrude, so you can select a face, then click on the pop-out button, and you get a new volume created, which extends the original one. You can then also manipulate this by using the Move manipulator, but we will cover this in a following video. The amount by which we pop out is determined by the geometry. However, you can also explicitly specify it by clicking on the red axis and giving the exact value that you want. You can also do additional pop-outs by hitting the P shortcut or clicking the button again, as shown here. You can also pop out multiple faces together by selecting them and then hitting the P shortcut or clicking the pop-out button. The hole operation allows us to make holes through our model. So quickly here we'll do an offset on this face, like described in the previous videos. And we will do a similar offset on the opposite side. Then select these two faces and ask for a hole between them. So this has generated a new body which is completely watertight with a hole through it. The two faces between which we create the hole do not need to be of the same shape or even have the same number of edges around them. We also have a bridge operation where you select two faces and you build a bridge between them. And again, the two faces do not need to have the same number of edges around them or the same shape. So here we're building a bridge across two faces with different numbers of edges. In the following video, we'll look at how to do rigid transformations, scaling, and other types of manipulations of our model.